Hello and good morning. Today is August 6th, 2021. The temperature is supposed to get to 27 degrees Celsius today, which is 81 Fahrenheit. Today we're going to finish off the shower area. I've been here for about an hour already and I've done a little bit of work. Let me show you what I've done. So on these little curbs, I put the FRP, that's Fiberglass Reinforced Panels. The one thing I don't like is right here I got this massive gap. I can fill that in with grout. I'm going to see what it looks like afterwards, but I might chip out these two tiles, chip out the grout and put new tiles in. But I don't like that thought because I like how this goes all the way up properly. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going to live with it for now. Anyway, I have this piece ready to go, and I did that piece on that ledge. The exact same thing, so we'll see how that goes. So first we're going to put this FRP on, then I'll put the controls on, and I'll put the shower head in place. Oh, I didn't grab the shower head from the truck. I just bought it. So let's get you into place and get this done. Well, that's one part of what we're doing today. The other part will be doing the grout. So for FRP, this is the glue I'm using. There you go. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. And I'm using this trowel. It is a 1/4 inch by 3/16 trowel. What they say to use. So I'm going to put this over here out of my way for now and get to working. I just have to find some plumber's tape. I have to get the shower head, and we'll be done. Just give me a minute to find that stuff, and I'll be right back. Oh. Okay, found the plumber's tape, got the shower head. I'll show you that shortly. One thing you probably saw me doing when I was putting this panel up, I was using a grout float, and I was pushing the panel into the glue, so this way the glue would spread and seal properly. You could actually hear it making a, I don't know what the sound, but how, I don't know, I can't describe the sound it was making, but it was making a sound. So anyway, we're going to put a crap load of tape on this end. Since we won't be able to know if it's, since we won't know that it's properly sealed or not, we're just going to put a crap load of tape on this thing and hope it seals. It should. Come on. And I will not be testing this right away. I'll be testing it in a couple of days, because I have to let the grout dry. So more glue. Another thing I have to do is, actually, do I have to do that? I'll think about it. There we go, that's on. I'm missing a piece. Where'd that piece go? Where's the box? Looking for the shower cap. Hello? Where'd that box go? There it is. Hiding behind you. I'll caulk that in place in a minute. What am I looking for? Yeah, this thing. So I have this shower head for now. It has 7 settings, one of which is a pause, so I can actually pause it when I'm taking a shower. And it's also a low flow shower head. It does 1.75 gallons per minute. But I will be getting a different shower head later. I just have to figure out how I'm going to how I'm going to connect it together, because it's one of the ones that locks right into place here only, and it has 0.5, 1, and 1.5 settings. So hand tighten only, hand tighten only. I think I got it the first time around. Come on. Just making a mess. Ugh. Attention. Marshes are installed in hose end. Okay. So they are. I don't trust washers only, I always add plumber's tape. What I think is funny, they say hand tighten only. I can tighten this a hell of a lot tighter than my sister could. So they should be a little bit more specific. Ooh, that's close. Alright, we have that completed. I am just going to clean up the floor because I have a lot of FRP stuff and trimmings on the floor here. And clean all this up. And then we'll do the caulking and the grout. Okay, I did a little bit of caulking down here that you wouldn't have been able to see. I'll probably still do some. Oh, you can still see it. There's that step right there. Yeah, you can still see the step. Okay. So let's get some caulking done. Well, some more caulking. Okay, that task is done for now. I'm going to have to come back and put another small bead over here because there's just a little too much to put into that one spot in one shot. It would have just peeled away later. So that's all done. We're done here. I don't know if I'm going to call it a day. Well, not a day, but an episode for you guys. Then I can do the grouting on another episode. Maybe. We'll see. Just in case this is the episode, that's it for now. Until next time, have a good one.